So, hi everyone. Yeah, you're welcome to today's class session. So, in the next few minutes, I will show you exactly how to compute our metric decision mini cheat uh, plus activity. So, by the end, I expect you to be able to compute, and clearly explain one evaluation metric that fits an imbalanced maternal or neonatal outcome like preeclampsia or early neonatal mortality, and you justify why is the right choice for your case. So, um, and that is why you have a graph here or a curve, which I expect at the end. So, showing on the y-axis precision and on the x-axis recall. So why does it matter? Maternal child outcomes often have low prevalence. So that makes some familiar metrics like misleading. So um, because of that, well, if we only chase overall accuracy, we can hide a lot of false negatives. And that is why in health, it can be the most costly error. That is, having so many false negatives can be a lot of error. So, uh, I want you to pause and take 10 seconds to jot two features you expect to be useful for your choosing outcome. Then think of the mechanism, that is the biology of how it happens, and what would plausibly or like a causal relationship that relates to that outcome and the data quality. That's the second. So weighing the weighing the mechanism with the data source. So yeah. Okay, let's go to the next thing. What you will do at a glance. One, annotate. In Perusa is a good tool. Make 3 plus substantiative comments, 2 replies on the transcript. Aim for comments that explain ideas or ask precise questions, replies that move pair forward. And next, step 2 is I want to use mini analysis. In the starter notebook, load the data set, pick 2 features, and compute one metric. So you can use PRAUC or a confusion matrix at a reasonable threshold. Then write two to three plain sentences that a public health colleague could understand. And the third step is like a flash share. In 2 to 3 minutes, show your metric and one slide or cell that supports your decision. Yeah, tell us which metric you choose and why it fits on balanced outcome. So yeah, so just share this and let's see uh what you have so that we learn from each other. How you will do it is open the notebook. You will run the first few cells to load and preview the data. And so I want to give you some few seconds to quickly do that. Compute your data set's baseline prevalence and say it loud. Positive are about 4% if you get that. For example, so prevalence is the first clip that PRAUC curve may be informative, may be more informative sometimes than ROC AUC. Yeah. So at 5% prevalence, which metric typically tells a more honest story about detection performance. So just like I said, what do you think is the answer? Yeah, PRAUC. We just said it and we just confirmed it. Okay, so now you have those two features and you are able to explain them, able to explain at least one mechanism, one on data quality. So So now you should be able to explain your interpretation. For instance, in the example we use, our PRAUC is 0.42, which is above the baseline prevalence of 0.05. So this means our model retrieves true positive better than chance across thresholds. However, precision still drops at higher recall, so we need threshold or triage rules to limit false positive. So lastly, what are you to submit? Notebook, metric, perusal takeaway, what you had in the perusal. So you can just have like a link to your notebook or any figure, your perusal takeaway, one AI line, you know, and that is what I expect. Thank you. You can copy the script. Thank you.